This is Jolo Suba, an amazing racer, champion in both karting and motorbikes, and 3-time karter of the year.
He's basically the real deal.
I want to learn from him, so the plan is to take an ordinary karter like me and an amazing karter like to basically race with him so I can learn.
Good morning, everyone. So we've just arrived at Carmona racetrack and we're about to start our practice sessions today. So yeah, my brother from New Zealand will be joining us today, and you know, he'll just watch and help me with the vlog. Yeah?
Overdose, no, don't choke. This lucid psychosis, kitty cat broke. The digging out slow, get the most so ferocious. We about both, keep it breathing, keep it dark. We can spark trees and I won't see. We could catch feelings, speak about dreams and the world so. Speak about you and me, oh so deep.
Here I make a little mistake of going in too fast into the corner. But I still have the advantage nonetheless because I still have the inside line for the first chicane. Right here we go side by side, but since Jolo's kart is faster than mine, he goes in front of me and I tuck in behind him for aero. For this clip, the slipstream is good. I was able to tuck behind him for the straight and get the overtake for the next turn.
Okay naman, it's good. I've been getting good times. Nakaka-overtake naman ako. Pero, you know, he's still in a different level compared to me. As you can see, champion yun eh.
Yeah, pero kaya mo naman eh.
Kaya mo naman, yeah. I can handle him naman ng konti. Pero he's still better than me, so
Yeah.
we still that gap.
You're learning from the
Pros,
best.
from the best.
From the best.
Yeah. Slow.
Yeah.
And I
I saw
couldn't.
on your post.
Yeah, I couldn't catch up. So Tito Arjun wants me to parang practice on a slower engine so I can get used to it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can see you're fast naman in the class.
Running in my mind all the time, running in my mind, running in my mind all the time, running in my mind all the time, running in my mind, running in my mind all the time, running in my mind all the time, running in my mind, running in my mind all the time, running in my mind all the time, running in my mind, running in my mind all the time. Rolling down the streets with my skateboard gang, we making friends all week 'cause we the fun you could fuck with. Name up on the wall with my spray paint can, fuck with the space we have and then we done quick. Plus we push deepness, suckers get whipped up then feasted. Started with the end 'cause we complete shit. Running in my mind, think about time we could beat them. Fucking with the best to get your feet lit, sucker. Booming down the streets in my 3-door cab, we making peeps so mad 'cause we done free motherfuckers. Fight and make peace, make a friendship gang. Fuck with the place you hang, we on some dumb shit. Plus we push toughness, suckers waste time and we crush them. Fucking with the fun, you get combusted. Running in my mind, try to breathe deep, then you miss this. Freak, not a creep, there's a difference.
Hey guys, we just finished all of our practice sessions of today, so I'd like to think it was very successful. You know, I was pretty fast. Namamatch ko si Jolo, and obviously na-overtaken ko din siya, pero his level of skill is just on a different level, you know? It's like I'm right here, he's over there. It's like, it's crazy. And then like, it's just, he's just really in a different level as me. Pero, you know, it's a good learning experience, learning from the best, di ba guys? Woo!